welcome to Fahima's World. I'm so excited about this video because we finally have a new phone. Guys, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 16 Plus in white color. I just felt like let me do an unboxing video because when I started this YouTube channel, I was using this iPhone 11 that I'm using to record right now. And it's just worth sharing this upgrade because we are doing this live together, my lovely subscribers. You're about to get some fresh content from the new iPhone 16 that I just bought. My apologies about the volume. Maybe you will hear my voice going up and down. I also bought this microphone, but I haven't figured out how to use it. So for the meantime, I'm just going to struggle with moving closer to the camera so that my voice doesn't cut. But yeah, as soon as I figure out how to use this thing, you're going to get some clear videos from me. So the phone is in this bag right here. I ordered it from online on this app called Noon. My sister plugged me to these people that they always have super affordable phones and they're good, long lasting. They have a good return policy. Like if in case the phone has a problem or anything, you can return it. So I don't want to spoil the bag, so I'm just going to pull out the phone. You guys, look at it. Look at it. I'm so happy. Oh, Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. So I don't feel like opening it. You guys have been keeping this one for like 5 days to do this video. But now I'm like, I hope this video comes out so nice because once I unbox it, there's no going back. Whatever you get is what you get. I'll just upload what comes out. So it just came in this bag only, nothing more. Bismillah, Bismillah. To my non-Muslim subscribers, that's what we say, like as Muslims. Bismillah, when we touch new things, we have to be grateful to God. And Bismillah, as I open this phone, I pray that God blesses it from me. I pray that I use it purposefully. And I have the grace to hold it with care for a long time. So I think I have to pull this off. I think I have to pull this off. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. Oh my God. I hope I do it nicely. I want it to be aesthetic like other people's videos, but here we go. I'm pulling it so slowly.
Ah, Bismillah, Bismillah.
Okay, this is all. One side is gone, and then I have to pull this. There's an arrow showing me how to open it. You guys, do you know why I'm so excited? I'm not really like a gadgets person. Like, I will not upgrade my phone just because there's a new release. I'm one of those people that if I have a phone that's working, I'm not moved by iPhone just released a new phone, so I will drop the one I have to go upgrade. No, like I'm always contented with whatever I have. But for the sake of this YouTube channel, I have been promising myself to upgrade a phone in a very long, long time. And yeah, I just felt like I had to go into 226 with a new phone. So here we go. Um, Bismillah. Oh my God. So to the opening. 1, 2, 3.
Look at this one.
You guys, are you kidding me? This is so cute. I'm really loving it. Look at this, you guys. I have never been so excited about phones. I'm not really a fan of very big phones like the phone with 3 cameras from behind. Even the phone I'm using now is an iPhone 11. It has only 2 cameras at the back. I will attach a photo of it so that you guys can see. So I feel like this is just perfect. The iPhone 17 is too big, but I don't know if I will get it in future. But this is a perfect phone for me. It really fits into my aesthetic as a girl who loves um phones that don't look so exaggerated from behind. Hello, Sherry. Thank you for helping me order this phone. I love it so much. Guys, my sister helped me to order this phone from noon because she has more knowledge on online stuff. Anyway, let me take off this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. I love it. I love it. So you guys, I don't even know if I know how to switch it on because it's on. Congratulations and celebrations. We have a new phone. We have a new phone. Okay, coming on. Let's see what's going to be on the screen.
Hello.
Hello, 226. We are coming in with a new iPhone. Okay, here is the marhaba and hello to the screen. It's open right now. There is someone on the screen. This is what's in the box. Okay.
See?
It came with only this charger. Okay. And there's this cute little thing for if I want to do what? If I want to put in the SIM card. I went to the market and bought myself this adapter. It was only 60 dirhams. And I also got some cute phone covers. So far I have the white one and the black one. I think I will buy a pink one as well because yeah. If I have a white, black, and a pink, I'm good to go. I love to have at least 3 colors of covers. So I think I should try the covers on. Let's see how the covers look on it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try the black one first. Um,
Oh my god, this is.
so cute.
I think the black one is so cute. Look. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hello. This is so cute. I feel like the black one is very.
Now I'm gonna try on the white one as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try the white one. Uh, 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 uh. White color. Okay, so what's this?
Oh.
Oh my god. I thought this thing was like white from within. I didn't know that it's transparent. But let's see how it looks in the phone. Bam! You guys, this one is giving, those Pinterest pictures that we see. Actually, when I was manifesting this phone, there's a picture I saved from Pinterest to look at it every day and trust that I will buy it one day. And it looks exactly like this, you guys. I'm not kidding. So yeah, this is the white cover, this is the black cover, and yeah, I'll try out other things and updates. I'm just gonna go on and transfer my data to the new phone. I'll see how is the camera quality going to be. So far everything is in French. I'm trying to put in English. I'm in the United Arab Emirates, so I just selected continue, appearance, set up without another device. Oh,
You know what? I don't wanna do a lot right
now because I just wanted this to be
I just wanted this to be.
a quick unboxing video, but now they want my flat Wi-Fi password and a lot of things which I'm not ready to do now. Like I'll let the phone rest and later I'll transfer my data and start calling people using this new phone. I love how it looks on my hand. I'm going to take a few cute pictures with it. And yeah, bye bye. Thank you all for watching. Say congratulations to me. Mwah.